The Maldives could disappear by 2050. Here's why. Welcome to our channel. The Maldives is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Crystal clear turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and luxury resorts. What could be better? How about waking up one morning to find your island home has sunk beneath the waves? Sounds crazy, but for the people of the Maldives, this could become a horrifying reality very soon. So why is this tropical paradise in such big trouble? Let's find out. The Maldives is a collection of more than 1,000 coral islands grouped into 26 atolls in the Indian Ocean. It's a popular tourist destination known for its crystal-clear lagoons, white sand beaches, and vibrant marine life. The Maldives is also home to a unique culture with influences from India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. From luxury resorts to local fishermen's boats, the Maldives is a place where paradise meets reality. But behind this postcard-perfect image lies a dark secret. As the planet warms, temperatures rise, glaciers melt, and sea levels rise. And when it comes to rising sea levels, no country is more vulnerable than the Maldives. The Maldives is made up of small islands and coral reefs, which are only 1.5 meters above sea level. This makes them extremely vulnerable to rising sea levels, which are already causing problems for the country. The Indian Ocean has already risen by 15 centimeters in the last 30 years, and according to predictions, it could rise by another 29 centimeters by 2050. That means that many parts of the Maldives could be underwater by 2050. But it's not just rising sea levels that the Maldives has to worry about. Coastal erosion is also a big problem. As the ocean rises, it erodes the beaches and coastlines, destroying homes and buildings. Floods are also more likely to occur, which can cause major damage to infrastructure and crops. All of this has a devastating impact on the lives of the people who live there. Fishermen have to repair their boats almost constantly, and many families have had to leave their homes because they're no longer habitable. The Maldives is home to around 500,000 people, all of whom are at risk from the rising sea. The Maldives is one of the lowest-lying countries in the world, making it particularly vulnerable to climate change. As the sea level rises, entire communities could be wiped out by the rising water. Rising sea levels also pose a threat to the country's economy. The Maldives depends heavily on tourism, and any damage to the island's infrastructure could have a devastating impact on the country's income. So what is being done to protect the Maldives? The government is taking steps to protect its people, such as building seawalls and artificial islands. These measures are expensive and may not be enough to save the Maldives. The country is also trying to raise awareness of the issue in the hopes that other countries will help them. The Maldives is a beautiful paradise, but it's under threat. The rising sea level is a constant reminder of the challenges that lie ahead. The question is, will the world listen before it's too late? Maldives is just one example of how climate change is already affecting our world. As temperatures rise, more and more countries will face the threat of rising seas, coastal erosion, and extreme weather events. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are things that we can do to help. By investing in renewable energy, reducing our carbon footprint, and supporting organizations that are working to protect our planet, we can all make a difference. Will we save paradise or let it sink? That's all for today. See you next time.